Dear family and friends, this is a day for celebration, a day for Thanksgiving. We are gathered to witness the marriage of Alexis Brown and Ryan Saxby. They have invited all of us to share in their public declaration of a lifelong commitment to each other. We stand now in the presence of God and ask for divine blessing on this solemn but very joyful occasion.
Hey beautiful, I hope you can read my handwriting. Well, the day is finally here. You've worked so hard putting all of this together. I don't know how you did it. I will always remember those summer evening dates to Camp Hill, going to pick you up the first time, and also the first few dates I was so nervous, but a really good kind of nervous, that I never really had and haven't felt since the day I proposed to you.
So you said it is? Yeah. They are cute. I like them too. There had to be one in there somewhere.
It's hard to believe that our day is here. Never would I have pictured myself getting married in July, but here we are. I will love you forever, stand by you through thick and thin, and I promise that even if I don't like you, that I will always love you.
You are my whole world and make me so happy, and I know today I will get that good kind of nervous feeling back that I had with you over 5 years ago. I can't wait to start a family and go through life together. You're so caring and sweet. I'll keep this short and just say I love you, and I always will love you forever and ever. And I truly am so lucky that you picked me, and now you're stuck with me forever. P.S. I hope you like your gift, even though it's not a puppy, but that's coming soon. Love, Ryan.
I love your eyes and the way you look at me. I love your goofy personality, your dance moves, and your laugh. I love your addiction to sports and the passion you show. I even love the ridiculousness of college football season, the way you're always down for an adventure and how you are my speed. I love watching all of your shows and how open you are to trying new things. I even love your stubbornness most days. I adore your family and feel so blessed to be a part of something so loving and crazy. I love all of our trips, memories, and new experiences. I could list more and more, but for the sake of paper, you'll just have to ask me. This is our wedding day, a day of unity and love. Although I am confident not much will change at home, I do believe this is our start to a family. I promise to love you with my whole heart and remind you often, happy wedding day.
You can look at me. I'm afraid.
She told me not to look. Wow, you look beautiful.
In marriage, husband and wife belong to each other. They are linked to each other's families, and they begin a new life together in the community. It is a way of life that all should reverence and none should lightly undertake. On this their wedding day, we pray with them that by God's help, they may fulfill His purpose for the whole of their earthly lives together. Christ calls you both into union with Him and with one another. And I ask you now, both in the presence of God and this congregation, to declare your intent. I, Ryan, take you, Alexis, to be my wife.
Take you, Alexis, to be my wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
better for worse,
for richer for poor,
for richer for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to honor her
to love and to honor her
until we are parted by death.
until we are parted by death.
Alexis,
Alexis,
this is my solemn vow.
this is my solemn vow.
In the name of God,
In the name of God,
I, Alexis,
I, Alexis,
take you, Ryan,
take you, Ryan,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have you hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer or for
for
poor,
richer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to honor
to love and to honor,
until we are parted by death.
until we are parted.
Ryan,
Ryan,
this is my solemn vow.
this is my solemn vow.
Ryan, will you kiss your wife? I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Ryan Saxman.
As your big brother, hopefully I was a good role model and someone you looked up to. But I think now the roles have reversed. You will always be my younger brother, but now it's me that looks up to you. Alexis, you're good for my brother in so many ways, and you make him happy in a way that I've never seen before. You will be an unbelievable sister to me and an unbelievable sister to my sister. I spent my life judging people on how they treat my family and how they make the people I love feel. And you make all of them so happy and so full of love that I know you will fit in perfectly.
But really, Lex, you are the most beautiful bride, and I hope today was everything you wanted. Ryan, you good-looking man, you are the most handsome groom I have seen today. Whoop, whoop. I just want to say thank you for being the rock my best friend needs. Thank you for loving her like no one else can. Sorry, y'all. Thank you for being you. You're awesome. Oh, crap. Alexis. I'm so honored to be able to be by your side today. All the years and today, no less. Thank you for being an amazing friend and Biffle I've always needed. And I'm so excited to watch you be a wife from now on.
My sister has always been a role model to me, and she's always been someone that I've looked up to. I've known Ryan for 5 years now, and I can honestly say that he's a perfect match for you. I know that he loves you very much, and I know that he will be there for you when things get tough.